everyone, my name is T and today I'm going to be reviewing the new Morphe Soft Focus Foundation. I got it right here. So this is the box right here. I'm so excited to try this. I literally ran to Ulta to get it. I've been waiting ever since they posted about it on their social media. So I got the shade Tan 21, and I don't know, Ulta, you know how Ulta been lately. You can't freaking touch anything. You can't like test it on your skin or anything. So like I'm literally doing this by eye. And usually, like, when I'm picking out foundations, it's, like, light. It comes out lighter than what you see. That's how, at least, usually, that's what happens to me. So, I don't know. But, yeah. So, I got 1021. The lady at Ulta said it might be too dark. But, you know, I don't know. Like, let's just try it out, you know. I'm just going to moisturize really quickly. So, this stuff claims to have, like, really good things in it for your skin. This foundation has hyaluronic acid in it. It has vitamin E in it. What else? And glycerin. I don't know what the hell glycerin does. Oh, it's for a healthy looking glow. So I'm really excited to try it. It's supposed to give you a nice radiant finish, which I love. I'm not the biggest fan of matte foundations in the first place. So I'm really happy that it has a radiant finish and it is medium to full coverage. So we'll see. I'm just gonna wet my brush. And I'm using the Morphe setting spray. I actually just got this today. This is the luminous one, but I've been want to try it. I don't know. I've got the continuous one, but I've never tried the luminous one. So I'm just gonna put some on my hand. Hopefully this isn't too dark. Please, Lord. So I just squirted like 2 pumps on my hand, and I'm just gonna take this random brush from Amazon and just put it on my face. Shit, I didn't prime. It's okay. I moisturized. Okay, first of all, this is really pretty. Okay, it's a little dark. But I don't really mind if my foundation is like a tad bit darker than my skin because I'm gonna powder and stuff anyways. So like I'm not like tripping about that. But I think we can work with it. I think I can make it work. Hopefully, because I really don't want to return. I hate returning things. I feel like I need some more pumps. Like I use everything that I put on my hand. So I'm gonna put some more. I'm actually use 3. But this is beautiful. And it blends out really easy. I think that's really pretty. But one side I'm using a brush, and then another side I'm going to use a beauty blender because I just want to see like which side I like. That's what I always do when I first try a foundation. So can we just really quickly while I'm blending this out, can we talk about the campaign here? Please, okay? Black women, we love to see it. Okay, first of all, I love me some Danessa Mavericks, okay? I think she is so freaking talented. I love her work. I have a bunch of her products. I think her products are so bomb. So I was really excited to see that she was a part of that. I already knew like, because her products are sold at Morphe. So, like, she's worked with Morphe before, but, like, she literally, like, created this campaign. She literally did Makeup Shayla's makeup. She shot the campaign, like, because she's a photographer, too. And then Makeup Shayla, period. I've been following her forever, and she's just, like, bomb.com. This is pretty. This looks, oh, I don't know why I'm going over in this side. Oops. Honestly, it looks the same. If you use a beauty blender, it looks a little bit more natural. I'll say that. And it's like, it's not overwhelmingly shiny. It's just like, it has like just the slightest tint of radiance, which I think is perfect. Because you just don't need too much. Like this looks like a second layer of skin. I swear to God, I'm not even capping. Like this is like a second layer of skin. I feel like you do need to use a couple of pumps. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I used about 5 pumps. Maybe for somebody who doesn't want to go super full coverage, you don't need it, but like for me, I want to. Let me do the rest of my face really quickly, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna like see what it's looking like. But as of right now, it's like literally an A in my book. I don't see anything wrong with it. Oh my God, I'm moving too fast. You know what? You get a free brush. I got a free brush with this, and I forgot to use it. But I mean, like, I don't even know what I would use it for. I don't know. This is an E63. You get a free brush, and they say this is a filter effect foundation brush. But you know what? I wouldn't even see myself using this for foundation, so it's okay. So if you go to Ulta, like I'm assuming within the next few days, you get a free brush. And that's even perfect. Hey, something to add to the collection. Why not? I'm going to use the Danessa Mavericks In Light Halo Powder. This is the best highlighter, One of the best highlighters. I know. Point me to a better highlighter, because I don't know. Can you see? I don't even know if you can see it. Let me not OD it though. This is Chestnut by MAC. I really be needing to focus when I line these lips. I'm gonna use some Morphe lip products, and this is True Story by Morphe. This is a liquid lipstick. It's so freaking pretty. It's so pretty. I don't want this to be super dark, so I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer right in the middle of my lips. Just tap, tap, tap. And then I'm gonna blend that out on my finger. I got a new gloss from Ulta today, and this is in the shade Boho. Now, first of all, they was capping. On them displays, this looked way lighter, like way lighter, and it didn't look pink at all. So I'm a little bit upset, but let's see how it looks. Okay, that's cute. That's cute. Oh, yeah, girl, that's pretty. Okay, I take it back. This is cute as hell. I have not been this impressed in a while, so just saying. I'm not disappointed. I'm not disappointed at all. I think it looks so good. I'm so impressed. I think it looks so good. Let's go look at natural light. I don't know, y'all. I'm still trying to figure out this lighting with this damn camera. It's kind of annoying. But yeah. Can you see the skin? Can you see the glow? Do you see? Like, I look so nice and radiant. Please ignore this. I look so orange right now, but I'm not that orange, okay? I'm not. But yeah, usually I'm having like, I'm all up close and personal, hey. But usually I'm having like texture right here, and I don't have that with this foundation. Like, I have texture right up in here. It may be looking like kind of patchy, but it's not. Ooh, yes. Yeah. Yeah. Like, it just looks so pretty. But yeah, I want to show y'all what it looked like on my phone, like through my phone screen. Yeah, so ignore everything around me, okay? Please, just look at me. But this is how it's looking on my phone. It's the natural light on my phone. Please ignore this damn stain. Yeah, I think it looks so good, like, for real. And like I was saying, like, the patches, like, can you tell? Like, so yeah, I got texture right here, and usually it's way, way, way worse. And I didn't even prime. Like, that's why I'm like, whoa, like, I'm shook because I didn't even use primer. Oh my God, my hand is a mess. But I didn't even use primer. So, like, I'm kind of shook. But yeah, this is what I look like in my natural light on my phone. So. Okay, so it's been about 5.5 hours-ish. I put this on like 4:30, and now it's about 10:20. Yeah, 5.5, close to 6. I can't keep this on no longer. I'm ready to take this off. I'm ready to get in the shower. I'm ready to get in the bed. It's been kind of lollygagging around the house. I was sitting at my computer for literally like 4 hours, and I ate. You know, I just was just chilling. I literally did not touch up anything. I only touched up right here because I had glasses on, and it, you know, when you have glasses on with makeup, it kind of like really F's up your makeup right here. So I just touched that up, but I didn't even put foundation over there, so that doesn't even matter. But like, I'm looking at myself in the mirror right here. Very much beautiful. If you are oily, I would suggest powdering a little bit heavier than I did. I didn't go too crazy with the powder. Especially like on my forehead, I didn't go crazy with the powder, and I probably will do that next time. Like, I will actually put a little bit more powder. Besides that, I think I look really good. Like, it looks good. It doesn't look like the foundation faded away. One thing too, I usually have crazy harsh smile lines, like crazy smile lines, and like, they don't even look that bad. I'm not tripping too much. Like, I like this though. Like, I'm not tripping about looking like a little bit oily. Like, that doesn't bother me. But if it bothers you, girl, just put a little bit more powder over it, and I think you'll be fine. You'll be okay. So I'm just gonna touch up my forehead and my nose with this e.l.f. powder. It's like a pressed powder, and just see how it looks afterwards. It's definitely giving the girls what it said it was supposed to give, and that's everything. And I'm so in love. Like, usually when I wear foundation, my chin, it looks super, like, just kind of dry and patchy. And it doesn't look like that. Like, it looks smooth. Like, my skin looks so smooth. And, like, still, the texture right here in my cheeks that I was just kept talking about, it still looks fine. Like, it looks great. I'm, like, really impressed. It hasn't oxidized, not one bit. I think it still looks really, really good, and it's still keeping the same tone that it had when I first put it on. Still looks really, really good after about 5.5 hours. So I have no doubt in my mind that if I go to the club or if I go wherever, my makeup will stay looking pretty throughout the whole day. I've been watching a few other reviews, but those are all sponsored, but they have been giving good ones. This isn't sponsored, no sponsorship. I went to Ulta and got this myself, paid my $20. Okay, $20 well spent. So if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you just liked it. I would love if you could comment on this video and just give me some suggestions on if you think I should go take this shade back and maybe get a lighter shade, or if you think it looks great. This is how my neck and chest looks, and this is the makeup. So let me know in the comments if you think I should go get a lighter shade. I think I'm alright. Like, I think I can work with it. But if you think differently, let me know. I'll be so grateful if you like this video and you subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments if you go pick this foundation up, and let me know how you feel. If you like it, if you hate it, I want to know. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one.